All right, joining me now here on the Matthew Filipowicz Show to discuss the Supreme Court is Phil Trevors. Phil is the spokesperson for Republican Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell. Phil, thank you so much for being on the show.
Thank you, Matthew. My boss, Senator Mitch McConnell, has made it clear that the Republican Party will not hold confirmation hearings to replace Justice Scalia until the next Republican president is sworn in.
You mean until the next president is sworn in, right?
No, I mean until the next Republican president is sworn in.
So you're confident in the GOP's chances come November?
No, not really. I mean, have you seen who we have running, Matthew? Those guys are horrible. But Senator McConnell is prepared to not only delay a vote on any justice that President Obama puts forward, but any nominee that a future President Sanders or President Clinton might put forward as well.
Wait, so you're saying...
I'm saying it might take 4 years, 8 years, 12 years, whatever years, but Republicans are willing to stand firm as long as it takes and not allow any Democrat to nominate any future Supreme Court judge. I mean, President Obama has nearly a year left, Matthew. What's a few more years or few more decades on top of that?
You know that it's in the Constitution that the president shall appoint members of the Supreme Court, right?
Matthew, we're Republicans. The only part of the Constitution we care about is the part about guns. But sure, if you want to get all constitutional, Mr. Constitution Pants, it does say the president has an obligation. But here's the thing, Matthew. It doesn't say which president has an obligation,
What are you talking about?
I'm saying maybe, Matthew, that the Founding Fathers were thinking about a future president, Not the current president, just that some president should do it at some point in the future. Maybe that's what they meant. We don't know. I mean, I haven't been able to get Hamilton tickets yet, so we just don't know.
Yes, we actually do know.
And look, I'm sure you're going to say that since 1975, the average number of days from a nomination to vote for a Supreme Court justice is 67 days, and the longest ever was 125 days, and that Barack Obama has around 340 days left, and that Mitch McConnell and every single Republican voted for Justice Kennedy during Ronald Reagan's last year as president. That were a bunch of obstructionist hypocrites. But Matthew, if the last 7 years has taught us anything, it's that Republicans have zero interest in actually governing.
All right, we're going to go. Phil Trevors, spokesperson for Senator Mitch McConnell. We'll be right back.
In fact, I think I am going to block this interview until a right-wing talk show comes along.